Welcome to iQuestionPH. Our today's question is: what is an adverb of manner? An adverb of manner is an adverb that describes how and in what way the action of a verb is carried out. An adverb of manner answers the question, how? They normally come after the verb or the direct object. Adverbs of manner are usually formed from adjectives by adding the suffix "ly". Example: graceful, gracefully. Leslie dances gracefully. The adverb gracefully tells us how Leslie dances. Other examples: quiet, quietly. He closed the door quietly. Slow, slowly. Mom mixes the ingredients slowly. Proper, properly. The employees here are working properly. Sad, sadly. She went home sadly. Clear, clearly. My science teacher speaks clearly. However, there are changes at times in spelling. Examples: gentle, gently. I wash my clothes gently. Noisy, noisily. The child plays with his friends noisily. Simple, simply. They live simply. Terrible, terribly. Dave behaves terribly. There are also adjective words that don't change when used as adverbs. Examples: hard is still hard. I study hard. Straight is still straight. She cut the paper straight. And fast is still fast. Carol runs fast. And those were the adverbs of manner. Again, an adverb of manner is an adverb that describes how and in what way the action of a verb is carried out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.